Hello, my name is Jimmy Spiropoulos. I am a customer success coach here with Bright MLS. Today, I want to show you all how you can search for listings that are having an open house on a specific date. So maybe you have a client who calls you up and says, "Hey, I want to go take a look at some properties, and I don't care, specifically where they're at, as long as they fall in our general search area. But I want to go on this specific date." So I'm going to show you how you can actually look for those properties that have those open houses on that specific date. And you can access it by going to your search tab and then scrolling over here to the more searches tab and then scrolling down to public open houses. Pardon me. So we have come into our search here, and what you can do in this top area here is add your search date. So maybe they want to go this Saturday. Right, so we're going to put Saturday the 4th, and we'll hit OK. You're going to choose your method. We'll just do in person only for this example, and we're going to select residential. Now we've got a ton of matches. I'm going to narrow it down. I'm going to go to Montgomery. I live out in Montgomery County, Maryland, so we're going to add that. And we've got 46 matches. Now, what you can do is come down further and add some more filters. So maybe they have a price point. Maybe they're, looking between 600 and 700,000. Let's see what that leaves us at. 7 matches. Okay. So, if they're, open to everything, you can go ahead and go into the results. But let's take a quick look at the map. And see where all these properties kind of fall in, right? It seems like they're all kind of in the same vicinity, right? Got a bunch right over in this area here. Yeah, so that might be an easy drive. Maybe they say that this area might be too far away. So if you want, we can draw a radius over it and kind of highlight those properties, right? And then we can exclude that shape, right? So it's going to take those listings out of our search. So when we go back into our criteria, we now have those 4 matches instead of all those 7, right? Um, Once you've gone into the results, right, you have them kind of listed out. And if we highlight them all, right, then we can add them to showing time and pull them into our showing cart. So that way we can kind of, set up our itinerary. Oh, gotta agree to those terms and conditions. There we go. And we're going to select for the 4th. Just best tour. And that description is for ourselves. And then it's going to pull everything in here for us. Now, there looks like we're going to have to schedule those for later on in the day, but you can go ahead and pick your first address, right? Let's move Bethesda first. And we'll just we'll start 2 p.m., hit save, and then we'll do our smart route, and then it'll go ahead and sort it over for us, and then we can go ahead and select all the dates and times that we want to go see those properties. So that's a really quick way for you to create a search. For properties that are having open house on a specific date, right? Instead of going in, putting in the parameters of that person's criteria, right? We can just kind of use some of those, that specific date itself instead of creating a search, then kind of whittling down the ones that are having an open house that day. So I hope you found this useful. Certainly let us know if we have any other topics that we can share with you on how to do things. But with that, thanks for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day.